It is an age of financial chaos. Pandemics have ravaged the financial landscape. The student loan crisis is at an all-time high. Inflation eats away at every worker's paycheck. It is an age of fiscal reckoning, an age of economic uncertainty, an age of financial warfare. Financial warfare is the war we wage our entire lives. Every financial decision you make is a form of financial warfare. It is the bills we pay, our medical expenses, protecting our children's future, saving for retirement. And the only way to win financial warfare is to have a warrior's strategy. Invest Like a Warrior is a financial education platform created to help you uncover your hidden warrior potential. Invest Like a Warrior is broken down into 6 unique financial warrior classes. Each financial warrior is based on the time-tested and proven financial strategies of history's greatest warriors. So focus your mind and prepare to meet the financial warrior classes of Invest Like a Warrior. The Knight, financial protection and stability. The goal of the Knight is to become a debt-free homeowner, one who protects their family and fortifies their castle with long-term investment strategies and saving for retirement. The Ninja, volatility and chaos. The Ninja strikes from the saddles as they wage a never-ending war against Wall Street. Their weapons of choice are cryptocurrencies, stocks, NFTs, and high-risk call options. The Samurai, wealth generation and power. The word samurai means to serve, and samurai serve others through the conquest of real estate. It's through providing rentals to tenants that samurai obtain the power. The Viking, economic cycles and raiding. Vikings raid according to the turns of the economic cycle. A Viking seeks out wisdom and learns to read the runes of the economy, then invest and financially raid accordingly. The Pirate, entrepreneurship and freedom. Some warriors weren't born to sail under another man's flag. The pirate hustles to become the captain of their own ship, hoist their own flag, and invest in themselves. The Monk, financial minimalism and peace. The monk fights a financial war within by sacrificing material wealth. The monk invests in helping others, economic justice, green energy, and in Mother Earth herself. So gather your army, sharpen your steel, and choose your warrior. Learn the stock trading secrets of the ninja. Seize your enemy's real estate, or risk it all for Valhalla. Don't waste your life. Financial freedom can be yours, but only for those who are willing to fight. So defend your castle, study the scrolls, sail the high seas, listen to the sagas, sacrifice your desires, find your mentor, and prepare to invest like a warrior.